The 2026 Porsche Macan arrives as a bold step forward for one of Porsche's most popular models, blending the brand's sports car DNA with the practicality and versatility of a compact luxury SUV. Since its debut, the Macan has been celebrated as the more agile and driver-focused sibling to the larger Cayenne, offering a unique balance of performance and everyday usability. For 2026, Porsche has elevated the Macan to heights with sharper styling, enhanced performance, cutting-edge technology, and, most notably, a fully electric variant that marks a significant milestone in the brand's transition toward electrification. From the outside, the 2026 Macan carries the unmistakable Porsche design language while embracing a more modern and aerodynamic look. The front fascia is sculpted with sleek LED matrix headlights and a wider stance that emphasizes sportiness. Subtle curves flow into muscular fenders, giving the SUV a planted and athletic appearance. The sloping roofline continues to deliver the coupe-like silhouette that has become a Macan signature, while the rear is dominated by a full-width light bar and a cleaner, more futuristic tail design. Porsche has carefully refined the SUV's proportions to not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve aerodynamics, an especially important factor for the all-electric versions. Step inside and the 2026 Macan showcases Porsche's commitment to luxury and technology without compromising on driver engagement. The cabin feels modern yet unmistakably Porsche, featuring high-quality materials, clean lines, and a driver-centric cockpit. A fully digital curved display dominates the dashboard, complemented by an advanced infotainment system with seamless connectivity, AI-powered assistance, and over-the-air update capabilities. Physical controls are minimized, but not eliminated, preserving the tactile feedback Porsche enthusiasts appreciate. Premium leather, sustainable materials, and customizable interior options give the Macan a luxurious edge, while ample rear seat space and an expanded cargo area ensure practicality for families and travelers. Performance remains the heart of the 2026 Macan, and Porsche ensures that even as electrification takes center stage, the SUV continues to deliver the driving thrills that define the brand. The all-electric Macan is built on the PPE, premium platform electric architecture developed in partnership with Audi, allowing for powerful dual-motor setups, advanced torque vectoring, and exceptional handling dynamics. Depending on the trim, the electric Macan offers a range expected to exceed 300 miles on a single charge, with ultra-fast DC charging capabilities that can restore significant range in just minutes. Acceleration is nothing short of exhilarating, with top versions reaching 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, putting it firmly in sports car territory despite being an SUV. For buyers who still prefer combustion engines, Porsche is expected to offer updated versions of its turbocharged petrol powertrains, ensuring a diverse lineup that caters to different markets and customer needs. Regardless of the powertrain, every Macan benefits from Porsche's finely tuned chassis, adaptive suspension systems, and precise steering, which together create an engaging driving experience that few rivals can match. Whether carving through winding roads or navigating city streets, the Macan feels nimble, responsive, and deeply connected to the driver. Safety and driver assistance technologies are another highlight of the 2026 Macan. The SUV comes equipped with Porsche's latest suite of assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and advanced collision avoidance technology. These features enhance convenience and safety while preserving the brand's emphasis on driver control and confidence. Overall, the 2026 Porsche Macan represents the evolution of a proven formula, blending luxury, performance, and versatility in a way that few SUVs can achieve. By offering both electric and traditional powertrains, Porsche ensures that the Macan remains relevant in an era of transition while staying true to its identity as the sports car of the SUV world. With striking design, a refined interior, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology, the new Macan is poised to not only maintain its popularity, but also strengthen its position as a benchmark in the luxury compact SUV segment. It is a clear statement from Porsche that the future can be electric without sacrificing the brand's soul.